Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
Patrick, man, it's got 3 ZV615s on 3 solid 8Ks, all DS18 candy mids and highs.
Okay, nice. So you said you have 3 of the amps, but one running right now?
One running.
Okay.
I got 2 JL Audio 600.6 on all the door speakers.
Okay.
I got 370 amp alternator, lithium battery, 190 amp hour lithium battery, and another 160 gallon upfront lithium battery.
Nice. So you have one under the hood also? Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. I have to see that. Nice.
Runs at 15.3 volts.
Okay.
Consistent.
Yeah. So your goal after I guess your subs are breaking in, you're going to have 1 amp per sub?
1 amp per sub.
Okay. So what is the 1 amp wired to right now, ohm-wise?
It's 1.3, 1.4.
Okay. All right, awesome. Is there any way I can see under the hood? Sure. Did you build this box?
Yeah.
Very good job. Hey, how you doing? All right. How big is your box, cubic space wise? You know?
After displacement of everything else, 14.3.
Okay.
After the max displacement, everything's 14.3.
Yes, sir. Nice. Is that an 8-inch port? Is it an 8? The port?
No, the air port.
Air.
8-inch.
Okay. Nice. That looks really good. Okay.
Hey, because it's playing, you video record.
Nice.
You did that seat forward if you need to.
Yeah, I was just getting a little bit of looking at it. That's pretty nice. That looks really good. Wow. So you have 3 of them. Okay, I thought there was 2. 3 ports. 3 ports. Okay.
1 per sub.
Nice. Did a really good job.
Thank you.
What are these subs rated for, just RMS wise?
Honestly,
2,500
watts.
2,500 watts.
And
okay.
I'm throwing about 12,000 at them when I put all 3.
When you put all 3? Wow. Okay. I've seen people take them though. They could do it. No, not maybe on a burp, but not on music. Yeah.
I've been
wow.
I've been playing it.
You have? Yeah.
3,
Wow, that's crazy.
What's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Patrick system. This was at a Jacksonville, Florida show, the Summer Showcase Showdown. Pretty impressive to see him fit 3 15-inch subs in his car, and I like the whole box layout. So go ahead and give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Having a 3-port Aeroport system with a triple sub system makes this a very unique style system, and you're going to see a crazy subflex demo today. So I like the layout of his actual amplifier rack. Don't have anything, pretty much have to worry about vibration issues having it in the back of the trunk. This is what it looked like inside the amplifier when I saw in the Google images. I figured I'd share the Salt 8,000 watt amp. Of course, some people would say it's rated a little bit more than that it would do, but based on it seeing the 8, I just say it's an 8K amplifier just because that's what the specs show on the amplifier with it rated on the manual, even if it does clamp more. And I like the layout of these 2 4-channel amplifiers, the JL Audios. You can hear the lyrics real well during the demo, and if you look closely, you can kind of see the layout of where the box stops for the cubic space he has. This is a motor shot of what the ZV6 looks like. Really high X max, rated at conservatively 2,500 watts RMS. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile. I do daily car audio videos every day. Total 8,000 watts on these 3 15-inch subs. I'm sure he was clamping around 10 to 12,000 watts like he was talking about, but I don't know exactly what it was, the goals out of this SPO-wise as well, but you can play probably 152, 153 during this demo.
man. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Patrick.
Patrick. All right. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem.
Appreciate the
You too,
demo.
man. Enjoy your time.
You too.